3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Jenny.
And hi, my name is Colleen.
And my name is Liping. Today we are going to present on the topic different types of e-commerce business models. Do you know what is e-commerce and the types of e-commerce? The definition for e-commerce is the buying and selling of products and services over the internet and other electronic systems. This is also the sharing business information, maintaining business relationships, and conducting business transactions through the use of internet networks.
You know that there are different types of e-commerce. The first type of e-commerce is business to business, or known as B2B. B2B represents an inter-organizational information system in which a company handles transactions within its own value chain or with other businesses and organizations such as its suppliers, distributors, and financial institutions. For example, Taylor's University have a B2B relationships with Dell Company. Dell Company supplies computers to Taylor's University. And in B2B, there are extranets for commerce and communication. Extranets, or Extended Intranet, is a private inter-organizational information system connecting the intranets of two or more trusted business partners. And you know that there is 3 ways to set up an extranet. First is the secure private network. It physically attaches the intranets with privately spacing lines. The charges can be costly, but security is relatively high for business transactions because only a limited number of partners have access to the system.
The second way is through public network. This uses a public communications network such as the internet. It is cheap to set up and maintain, but the security is low. The intranets within a public network extranet are protected only by firewalls and user-logon procedures. The third way is through virtual private network, which is also known as VPN. VPN uses a public network, the internet, with special protocols that provide a secure private tunnel across the network between the business partners' intranets. These VPN-based extranets are popular because they are relatively economical, private, and secure. The second type of e-commerce is business to consumer, which is also known as B2C. B2C is the retailing transactions between a company and an individual customer. The examples of B2C transactions include individuals shopping for clothes to be given as birthday gifts, diners ordering food and eating in a restaurant, and TV watchers subscribing to satellite TV providers. The third type of e-commerce is consumer to consumer, which is also known as C2C. C2C is when individuals buy and sell directly with each other via a website. For example, eBay, Muda, and Amazon. For examples of C2C transactions, it occurs when shopper buys clothes in order to resell it in her online shop, or when a person buys food in bulk from a restaurant, then uses the food to cater to a party and charges for the catering services.
The last e-commerce would be business to employee, which is also known as B2E. The B2E systems are not technically e-commerce because they do not involve buying or selling anything. Their main focus is handling the activities that take place between the organization. The mid-sized and larger companies have intranet sites to handle B2E business. For the examples of B2E business are the online insurance policy management, the corporate announcement dissemination, and special employee offers.
And lastly,
Thank you for giving your attention.